Hello, look at these. These are mangoes. Can you see? These are so tiny mangoes. You know what I thought of making as soon as I saw these tiny mangoes? Handruli. It's a very traditional Mangalorian coconut based curry. There is no cooking involved. It's all raw and it is absolutely fantastic with hot rice and a little bit of ghee. Come, let me show you. As I had mentioned earlier, this is a coconut based curry, so you require lots of fresh coconut, red chili, turmeric, salt to taste, and Jaggary for a little bit of sweetness. If you have tangy mangoes, then the curry will be even more tasty. Tampering is optional, which is called as ogarne. For that you require brown mustard, little bit of curry leaves and coconut oil. Make a chutney out of all the ingredients I have mentioned, that is the coconut, red chili, turmeric and salt, and make it into a chutney. Here is the chutney. I am going to mix the peeled mangoes to it and mix it well and let it soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now peel the mangoes with a peeler or with your hands. Hands is better as it gives a little rough texture on the mangoes, which helps the mangoes to soak in the chutney or the gravy. There, now curry is ready. You can eat this with rice as is, or you can give a tampering of mustard seeds and a little bit of curry leaves in coconut oil. Sorry, I missed the clip where I was making the tampering. There, it is a great combination with hot rice. Fun part about these tiny mangoes in this curry is you can eat this as whole.